In this video, I'm going to show you how to add clickable links to your designs in Canva. So first of all, I'll show you how to hyperlink any text that you might want to make clickable, and then I'll show you how to create a button and make that clickable too. So let's jump into Canva and I'll show you how to do it. So once you're logged into Canva, let's first choose a design we're going to work with. So I'm going to go for a PDF because that's just quite a simple one for this demo. So I'm going to search for PDF and then I'm going to choose a PDF template. So let's just go with this one for now. Click to select and then click on customize this template. So now we've opened the template. First of all, I'll show you how to hyperlink any text that you might want to make clickable. So since there's a website address in here, let's hyperlink that to a web address. So this is actually not a real website. So I'm just going to go actually to the BBC and I'm going to link it to the BBC's website. So I'll copy the link for the BBC, come back to our design. And now to make this clickable, all I need to do is highlight this text. And now you'll see this little menu pops up and we've got this little option, or this little icon that represents a link. Click on this. And now here is where you can drop your link in there. Paste it in, click done. And now that is hyperlinked. Now in a sec, I'll download this PDF document and show you it working in real time so you know it actually works. But for now, before we do that, let me just also show you how to add a button to your design and then make that button clickable as well. So to create a button, let's go over to the left sidebar and select the Elements tab right here. And then from the search bar, I'm going to search for button. And now here, we'll get lots of different button designs that you can choose. Now there's loads and loads of them here in Canva. So this one jumps out to me. I'm just going to grab this one, click, drag, and drop it where I want it. And now a little tip just to make this pop a bit more since it is a button. Before I make it clickable, something I like to do is come up to the Edit button here, click on Edit, and you'll see the menu bar changes in the left. Now, if you scroll down and select shadows, now here we can select this one, which is a drop shadow, and you'll see it makes a little drop shadow behind the button there, and it makes it look more like an interactive button that way. So I just think that looks much nicer. So now again, to create a clickable link out of this, if you click on your element to highlight it, and you get this little menu that appears right here. And at the end of the menu, you've got this little dots icon for more options. Click on this and then scroll down and you have your link option right here. Click on this and we can paste our link in. Again, I'm just going to link it to the BBC just for speed. And then click done. And now both this website URL will be linked to the BBC as well as this button. So now if we go to download this document, come up to the top right, click on share and then click download. I'm going to download it as a PDF standard. Click on download. It's going to download it to my computer. And now let's go and open that document, which is right here. If I click on, first of all, the website URL at the bottom, if I click on that, it goes straight to the BBC. And again, let's go back to our doc and click on the button. And again, it's hyperlinked to the destination where we set. Now, if you want to know how to create ebooks for free using Canva, then watch this video right here. Or if you want to know how to add an AI voiceover to your designs in Canva, then watch this video right here.